Hi, how's it going? This is Keith. I'm going to show you how to insert a drawing into a Google document and then be able to apply labels to that drawing. Alright, so to start off, first we have our Google document open, and then we are going to, I'm using the site called PhotoPin to find royalty-free images. In this case we're going to use a snail, and there's the image of the snail, so we're just going to copy that image and go back to our Google document. We're not going to paste it into the actual Google document. What we're going to do is we are going to insert a drawing. Okay? And what this will do, this will allow us to manipulate the actual picture and add labels and arrows and things like that. So I'm just going to paste it. You need to use Control V to paste the image into the drawing. And it creates it, brings it in there. And here I can resize. And from here I've got some tools up here at the top, and what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to add this to a diagram, I'm going to add some text and some lines to it. So I'm going to be able to label this diagram, and I'm going to call this one an arrow, and I'm just going to add this here. I'm going to change the line color so it kind of draws it out. This allows me to change the weight of the line, make it a good 4-point. And then I've also got text here, and of course I can add shapes and things like that, but for this case I'm just going to add a text box. Put the text box where I want, and hard spiral shell. Okay, enter it down. There it is. I could then change the color of the text to go along with the arrow, and then I would just repeat the process for the second one. Do another line. And let's do some eye spots here. Again, I would change the line weight. Now if I created my lines first, this would actually be the smarter way to do it, because it keeps the properties of the line, so you don't have to keep changing it. So I do all my lines first, and then I would add the text boxes second, and it's the same deal. So this would be the eye spots. And enter, puts it there, and then I would change the text color and so on and so forth. Now, let's just pretend that I added the text for the rest of them. I save and close it, and then it brings it into my Google document as an actual JPEG, but it keeps it all together. So I can resize it, and it keeps my text and my arrows set. So then I can change it to a fixed position, drag it over, and then add text and whatnot up there. Okay, so that is how to insert a diagram into a Google document. Thank you.